Welcome to our channel. We are Peter and Karen. We sold our house and everything we owned to live our new life on our boat, A.W.O.L, a way of life. Come along with us on our journey on the Norfolk Broads.
Hi everyone, just got to the boat again. Had a word with Eric. Apparently they're sorting out the back part of the boat here. I'll show you. Yeah, they're sorting that out next week. Going to put all the wood back in. Looks like it's all dried out really well. I've added the fiberglass, as you can see it, around the edges of the wood. Yeah, apparently Jeckells are not doing the back cover because the guys here are still working on here, so it just get in the way when they're putting the wood back in and that. So yeah, but I think they're going to do the front cover, but when they'll be doing that I don't know. And they're going to be putting the lino in for us as well. I'll show you where the lino is going to go in a minute. I'll just turn you off and bring you back in a minute. Right, back again. Yeah, they're putting the lino down in here. Excuse the mess, this is where I've been working. Right, so from that door there, and that door just there, the lino is going to come all the way along here, like a wood effect lino. So obviously once that's in, I'll video it and obviously show it to you, but can't do nothing at the moment. And yeah, they've put that back in. This was our second toilet, so they've redone all that and put all that back in. So that's just going to be like cupboard space now. Yeah, let's have a look through here. Be careful, working on this wood. Oh God, they're still working in here by the looks of it. I think I've still got to do electric work, apparently that's what Eric said. Yeah. Front room looks a tip. There's all our other stuff from the other cabins. So yeah, sorry about the mess again. There you go. Let's have a look round here. Looks like that's fallen off down there. Oh. Put that back up. Just put that there. Oh, we can go outside the front here. I'll show you this outside the front. Our railing, it goes right the way round. I'm going to have a nice big canopy on the front here, a bit like well, it's going to be like this one in front of us, but obviously navy blue to match the boat. So yeah, new lights we've had put up. Side. And fish in the water. I can't see, it's too dark. Yeah, so I hope you liked this short. I know it's short again, sorry, but you know, until they start doing the work and that, I can't really show you much really. Yeah, so I'll see you next time. If you like, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Hope you can hear me this time. I had a message saying someone couldn't hear me on my last video, I think it was, so I'm speaking a bit loud at this time. Anyway, yeah, I just want to say thank you for the latest subscribers. It's very much appreciated. And we've now got 168 subscribers, so keep it up again, guys, and I'll see you next time. See you soon, bye bye. Hi everyone, looks like they're putting the front cover on.
What thing do you want me to...
I'll just say what you're doing, really. Yeah, this is Steve, he's from Jeckells.
Yeah, I'm just Steve from Jeckells. Yeah, just fitting this canopy. Yeah, it's going alright.
Yeah.
Looks good. Hopefully keep the rain out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it easy to take down, Steve, if we wanted to?
Yeah, you just go around and do the Velcro straps there.
Yeah.
Take the lifted dots off the head. Yeah, just disconnect the elastics and it's off.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, excellent. Okay, thank you.
Easy.
The name hasn't gone on yet, but Steve's here and he's doing the front cover. So it should look nice once it's done. And once the back cover's on, it'll look even better. So yeah, there you go.